Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to take a look at the progress on the Chevy C10 pickup. I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, on today's episode, we're going to start out by cutting off what little bit of rust there is on this Chevy truck. There's a little bit in the rocker panels, and just a tiny bit into the floor. So we're going to go ahead and get those cut off so we can get some new metal welded in. Alright, so the plan on this truck is it's going to basically completely get restored. It's Phil, the owner, wants to get this painted. So we've been starting to do things like cut the rockers out of it, and Phil's been doing stuff like putting new shocks on, and he's going to start sanding it today as well. I figured I'd come and talk a little bit before all the noise was going on. There you can see the new rear shocks. These big long arms right here that you see are known in NASCAR as truck arms. They still use those on NASCAR to this day. The seat's going up to get reupholstered today. Phil just started doing a little sanding on the side of the cab here, but he's going to be here in a little while and totally get after it. So I'll definitely get some footage of that. But basically, I'll just keep updating you, and eventually this truck will be completely painted. It'll be awesome.
Come on. So what's he going down to Austin? Kid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, his son Eddie's in this weekend, and
That's loose. You'll just leave it sitting in the hole till you move it, or
Pardon?
you want to leave it sitting in here till you
you want him to just like lean it up against the wall, or?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
wherever for right now.
Well, look at that real good. If you want it.
51 years?
No, it's not original, but it's been in there for a while. Oh, right there. Right there. There we go.
I thought I'd show you guys the window channels in this truck. These are really nice. You know, there's just a little bit of surface rust there, and just, you know, a little bit like right there. But if you look across here, you know, these things are beautiful. Let me show you the back window. once again, these are super nice, about as nice as you're ever going to get. Phil's also been getting after the gutters like a crazy man. He's really been getting up on the stool. And you can see these all look fantastic as well. I mean, again, I don't think you're going to get any better than this. All right, so Ed's got this rocker panel completely cut off. All the rust is out of the way. And there you can see there's some more of the old panel laying on the floor. And then some of the new panel and the new rocker. So now he's just going to start the task of putting it all back together with the new metal. Okay, so we've got the inner rocker panel all tack welded in, and it looks pretty good. We put a new section of floor in there as well. That was a little bit soft, but that part of it is going very smoothly and it looks good. So won't be too much longer and we'll put the outer rocker on, and that'll look like a truck again there. Alright, so the next thing that's been done on here besides the start of the rocker panels is we've got a bunch of this stuff sanded. It's all the way down to the bare metal, so it looks really good. Everything's nice and solid, no surprises so far. I'll go up top for you. The seam for the roof is all really nice. So I mean, this truck is nice and solid. This is just the way you like them. We've got a ways to go on it yet, but it's looking really good. Alright guys, one of the things that we're really tired of here at Up-N-Runnin is having the gravel parking lot, so we're going to get it partially paved. It's not really pavement, it's more of a recycled blacktop. It's going to get the roller run over it a few times and kind of pack it down, and it'll be almost as good as like blacktop. But it's actually made from recycled blacktop material, so I hope you enjoy that as well. got as much done on the parking lot as we're gonna do, at least for now. So you can see it's all the way up to the street, to the front of the back building, and then over to the side of the front building. So looks pretty good. Let me give you a view of what it looks like down here. It basically looks just like blacktop. So we're gonna see how it goes. So we're excited about it. Hopefully we'll have a lot less dust this year. All right, guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, go ahead and send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address in the description below. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell right next to it for the notifications. And yeah, click the like button. Thanks for watching.